Hello guys, this is Roy from Arena Mini 4-Wheel Drive Club, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada. And for this video, I would like to show you how to do a reinforce the MS suspension chassis, and by using some leftover parts. Okay, so for the MS suspension, there's a pretty common problem. Will be like your chassis at the back, it will move like that. Okay, so let me give you a better example. So for example, this one, you can see the back, okay, and the front. Okay, so those are basically, I'm not sure about the CNC chassis. If you buy the CNC chassis, it's gonna be same thing or not, but still check this one. For example, this one I already using the 0.2 hand saw to cut it, but there's still a small gap, so there's still a room for chassis to play with, because the one I just showed you, that's my old chassis. Okay, so here I'm gonna show you how to using, let's say if you have a catcher, like catcher material, like you using that for the tail dampers, and also there's some poly body, so you can use those and to make a support for your chassis. Okay, so how to do that? Let's check the video. Let's go. Okay, so here I'm using 20mm screws at the front and 25mm screws at the back. So after that, then we're gonna check so the rear is higher and front is lower. It's same thing as you can do the same way for the rear. And now we are cutting off the poly body, the extra pieces. Then we're gonna drill a hole and we're gonna put on the rear screws. Then we're gonna press it on the front screws to measure the size. Then after that, we just drill another holes on it. Then we're gonna install a 3mm spacer at the back. Then we just press that and install it. So this way you can have enough room for when your suspension chassis is moving. So that's how it is. Okay, so you can see in the video I using this to make example for you by the leftover parts on the poly body. And here I have one done exactly same way as by using the catchers. So let me give you an example what happens before and after. So before, you can see like this, and using the catcher, you just simply pressed it in. Okay, then after that, okay, so that's the difference. Okay, so this is the easiest way to do the reinforce for your suspensions. You can do exactly same position like process for the front and for the back. Of course, for myself, I have modified do this kind of Arena tail dampers, and that's already come with like this kind of support. So this way I can just using one tail damper and come with this two extra pieces already. So this way is a little bit easier. Just give you an idea. So if you want to try this, you can also try that. Alright, so this is today's video, and if you have any question, please leave your question and comment at the bottom. I will reply to you as soon as possible. And if you like this video, you want to see more video like this, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Alright, thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away.